just a short workout, full body workout, a lot of hip releasing, a little bit of power Pilates in there, and a little rolling around. Okay, are we ready? Grab your mat, make sure you have some water close by. Breath in. Just take your hands above your head. Wriggle into your body and take your hands back. Exhale, just come down into the center. Breath in and bring it all the way back to the top. Exhale and lift. Looking up. Opening up through that neck, under your chin. And come back down. One more time, breath in and lift back up. Arch your back. And come back down. Go ahead and bring your hands forward. Walk yourself forward and zip your chin down to the carpet and ease back up. Just come into your baby cobra to start with. Hold. Relax your butt cheeks and just roll around. Opening the hips. Make sure your butt is relaxed. Beautiful. Hold. Bring your hands further under you and just lift up. Cobra, just keep your knees down this time. Breath in and taking your hip to the right and just circle up and over to the left and come back down. Up to the right, lift it. Come back down into your left. Up into your right. Back down into your left and return. Left, lift back up over to the right and come back. Left, just let those hips roll around and just surrender into your practice. Slowly feeling that circle. Back in, breath in. Come up into your camel, move the knees into a nice comfortable position and then ease back down towards your heels. As you come up into a wave, come forward, sag back into your back and ease back towards your heels, point your toes. Breath in, roll your way back up and come back down. This time we're going to come up into a full cobra if you feel like it. Breath in, tuck in and come all the way through. Tuck your toes, lift back up and take your knees away from the floor. If you don't like this, just please put them back down again. Roll to the right, lift back up, over to the left. Up to the right and over to the left. Up to the right and over to the left. Again, left. Come back over to the right. Use your breath and come back down. Lift, come back down. Hold that strength in your upper body. Go ahead and tuck your toes under. Come into your plank. Flare your back open. Point forward, flex back. Point forward, flex back. Point forward, flex back. Lift up in your belly. Go ahead and drop the feet underneath you. And press back into your up V or down dog. Hold. Take a breath and push away from your hands. Grab your right knee, bring it into your right elbow, come forward and take it back. Right knee, elbow. Now this time we take it all the way back up. And just growing into that right elbow. Exhale, come back up. Right elbow. And back up. One more time. Right elbow. And come back up. Hold it there. Flex your foot and drop to the opposite buttock. Open out the rib cage. Press away from your hands. Feel that opening in your hip. Take a breath. Release your mind. Point and come back down. I know those arms are wanting you to come down, but don't. Zip into your belly. Feel that work, people. Go ahead and bring your left knee to the left elbow. Back out. Left elbow and grow all the way up to the ceiling or the sky. Breath in, come down. Exhale, come back up. Breath in, down. Exhale, come back up. Breath in, down. Exhale, back up. And again, breath in, come down. Exhale, come back. Go ahead and bring that leg down and just release through your ankles, heel toe, walk it through. Use your breath. Drop down to both of your knees now. Hold. Roll up into your upper back. And go ahead and come down right through the center. Starting at your tailbone, roll back up again. And come back through the center. Left hand under, right hand under. Lift your right hand, lift your left knee, exhale, lengthen out. Go ahead and pump up for 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last 2, drawing under, touch. Reach back up. Drawing under, touch. Reach back out. Drawing under, reach back out. And again, drawing under, reach back out and hold. Ease that iron down, grip into the belly and lift up again. Sliding back through your spine. Breath in and rolling back up. Come back into your neutral, zip the belly, shoulders down your back. Go ahead and lift your left hand and your right knee. Find that nice stillness. Exhale, lift and hold. 10 pumps and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more. Nice breath and last time. Exhale, come under, touch and back out. Exhale, under, touch, back out. Exhale, under, touch, back out. Give me 2 more. Exhale, under, back out. And last time, under, back out and hold it. Squeeze that buttock, keep your head in line. Beautiful, and pull back down. Go ahead and slip your right arm under, come down on your head. Bring that hand back. Take your left one under and down on your head. Come back in. Go back up onto your toes, press back. Walking your feet back up to your hands. Go ahead and forward fold. Bend your knees slightly, lift your bottom up. Bend your knees slightly, back up. Bend and back up. Now sit back into your butt as you bring both arms up and into your chair. Hold. Hands come together, rotate over to your left leg and hold. Grip the tummy. Think about your right leg. See if you can step that right leg back and sink down again. Drop that right leg straight to the floor. Go ahead and bring your right foot down, open your arms and begin your windmill. Sinking into your front leg. Hold. Make sure that foot's well in front. Sink your right arm down, left arm comes up and sink back into that back thigh and hold. Go ahead and come back down onto that front leg and just hold. Bring your front arm over. Hand comes down. Step back up with your back foot. Sink back into your chair position again. Drop and lift both arms up. Hold. Bring your hands down, rotate and turn. Drop your butt. Feel free to move to find a better position that fits you. Breath in. Step your left leg back. Hold. Sink into it when you find it. Drop your back foot in, take your arms forward, lift back up and come into your windmill. Dropping and positioning that back foot. Left arm down, right arm up. Ease down onto your front leg, hold. Take your back hand down and step. Sit back down now, all the way with your bottom. Hold. Just feel this position. Take your hands away if you can. Palms up and hold. Go ahead and roll back down. feet apart. Fold over your legs, exhale, open out. Breath in, fold over your legs. Exhale, open out. Fold over your legs. Exhale out. Two more, really pulling the shoulder blades together. And one more. Open. Abdominals, here we come. Breath in, roll down. Exhale, rotate. Inhale. Exhale, rotate. Inhale. Roll back up, sit nice and tall. Breath in, roll down into your C curve. Exhale, rotate. Exhale, rotate. Inhale and sit back up. Breath in, roll down. Exhale, rotate. Rotate. And come back down all the way. Arms go over. Big circle, dive in your belly and exhale, lift up. Breath in, roll down. Exhale, right, back and center. Exhale, left, back and center. Roll back down, arms over. Roll your way back up and lift. Breath in, roll back down. Exhale, rotate, center. Rotate, center. One vertebra after the other. Arms come over. Big circle, dive in your belly. Exhale, lift back up. Two more, breath and roll down. Rotate right, back and center. Rotate left, back and center. Roll down. Arms come all the way over. Bring the knees in, grip the belly. Take your right leg up, find it. Take your left leg away. Lift your head and roll up your upper body. Hold behind your thigh, hamstring pull. And exhale, change, 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 change. 5, 4, 3, we got 2 to go. Bring both your knees in, hold. Drop your head down, turn your head to the right, back and center, turn to the left, back and center. Take your left leg up, scoot that right leg away, put your lower back down, hold behind, lift your head, roll back up, use your abdominals and change. Change, 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 change. We got this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs up. Drop your head down. Take your arms out to the side. Same as before. Zip the belly, push down. Chin in, rib cage down, or lift your legs towards you more. Exhale over to the right. Pendulum swing, inhale back. Glue the feet together. Exhale to the left. Inhale back. You'll notice the upper body to stay still. Right, just from your waistline, so you're working your obliques. Use your breath, don't hold your breath. Listen to your body, don't go further than you can. If your legs come apart, you're not strong enough to go that far. Glue them together. It'll help you use your abs. And 2 more. Exhale over. Back into center, drop down through the knees. Bring your fingers in behind your head. Breath in, roll up your upper body. Take your left leg away and your left shoulder up. And change, and change, and change. Breathe out, keep your lower back down. If your back kicks in, don't go so far with the legs. Keep your breath moving, keep the toes on. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back in, hands go down. Roll over, guys, tuck in, hold. Use the hands if you need to. Open the legs, flex the feet. Dive in, roll back down. Point your toes, come around and touch. Tuck in, fold. Open the legs, flex your feet. Pull into your belly, roll back down. Point your toes, come around and touch. Over. Open, flex your feet. Pull into your belly, roll back down. Point, come around and touch. Fold, open, flex your feet. Pull into your belly, come around. Point and touch. One more. Come over, open, flex your feet. Pull into your belly, roll your way down. Point your feet, come back in, give yourself a cuddle. Lift your nose up, exhale, roll. Move your bottom back, tuck in and forward fold. Pull into your belly, roll back. Push off your hands, lift, squeeze your buttocks. Left leg lift. Right leg lift. Come back down. Straighten those legs. Pull into your belly, roll forward. Hands either side of the legs. Dive back in, roll back up. Press out of your palms and lift up. Left leg lift and come down. Right leg lift and come down. Drop your butt, tuck into your belly. Exhale, come forward. Inhale, roll back up. Palms go back. Point and lift. Exhale, lift. Drop back down. Exhale, lift. Drop back down. Drop your head, tuck in and roll your way forward and just hold. Go ahead and roll back one vertebra after the other and take a big deep breath right to the top. Exhale over to the right, back into center, over to the left, back into center. Take the hands onto your forehead as you drop your head back. Go ahead and bring your head down, bring your hands